Wrekin, located in Shropshire just off Junction 7 of the M54, a hill full of history, legends and stories spread all over the county. Standing at 1,335 feet above sea level, it can be approximately an hour's walk to the top. It can be quite the challenge, but the views are well worth the struggle. During the Anglo-Saxon period, the Wrekin became a huge landmark of importance that developed its own minor kingdom, but this minor kingdom was absorbed into the Mercia reign. But strangely, after the immediate Norman invasion, it was named Mount Gilbert after a hermit who lived on the hill. Contrary to common belief, the Wrekin has never been a volcano in its own right, but composed mainly of volcanic rocks, and it's a product of volcanism. Its modern shape, which from certain viewpoints appears to resemble a volcano, but this has been formed by natural processes. Legend has it that the Wrekin was created by a giant called Gwendol, who was angry when a certain girl was missing. Because of this, he was looking to bury the town of Shrewsbury out of pure anger with a huge shovel of dirt. But he met a cobbler on his way who managed to convince the giant he was days away from the town of Shrewsbury. So the giant dropped the dirt and Shrewsbury was left alone, and so the Wrekin was born. despite the foreboding warning of live firing, guns have never been discharged in earnest here since at least 1980. The remains of the firing range, which was once used by the King's Shropshire Light Infantry, are located further south on the perimeter footpath encircling the base of the Wrekin. The site itself, which is Grade 2 listed, has survived the ceasefire well, and the remains of the shooting butt and targets associated with it are still very evident.
So many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. An infatuated life.
If you wish to know more information on the Wrekin, all links are below, as well as parking locations and peak times. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.